Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG Dishwasher Side Mounting Bracket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new side mounting bracket. The side mounting bracket is used to mount the dishwasher to the cabinets when you can't mount it to the countertop. There's two side mounting brackets used on the dishwasher. They're sold individually, so make sure you order as many as you need. If you're installing a new dishwasher, you may not have to pull the dishwasher out, but if yours is already in the cabinets, we'll show you how to pull it out. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have to remove these caps that cover up the side mounts. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pop them off. Once you have the one on this side out, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have both caps off, we can use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. If you have a magnetic screwdriver, you may want to use it so you don't drop the screw in between the panels. If they happen to fall, we can always get them when we take the side panels off. Once you have the last screw out, we can lift up on the door. We're going to carefully use it to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. Once you have it started, you can grab the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Now that we have the dishwasher out of the cabinets, we're going to leave the door open so we can take off the side panels. There's a side mounting bracket located on each side. We're only going to show you how to change out one side, but they're both changed out the same way. To get the side panel off, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. There's 2 in the front and 3 on the back. Once you have the ones in the front out, we can go around back. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to pull the top of the panel away a little bit. And then the bottom of the panel we have to lift out of the channel. If your screw falls out, you can grab it off the floor. You can carefully lift the panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the side panel off, we have access to the side mounting bracket. It's mounted on the rail right above the spring mounting bracket. We're just going to use a flathead screwdriver to bend the tab over so we can take it off. Once you have it bent over, we can unhook it from the rail. Here's the old side mounting bracket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new side mounting bracket in, all you have to do is line it up with the opening in the rail and feed it through. Once you have it in place, you can use a flathead screwdriver to bend this tab over. Once you have the tab started with the screwdriver, you can grab a needle nose pliers, just kind of crimp it down so it's tight. Once you have it crimped down, we can put the side panel back on. And we're going to grab the panel And you want to set the bottom in first. There's a little lip down there that has to go into the frame. Once you have it in place, we can lift it up into place. And then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Now that we have the side panel on, we can close the dishwasher door. Now we have to reach underneath and put the line through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16 inch nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines connected, we can open up the dishwasher door so we can put the screws back in. If you were replacing an existing side mounting bracket, all you have to do is push the dishwasher back in until the hole lines up so we can put the screw in. But if you're installing them for the first time, you want to use a drill and drill a small pilot hole through your cabinet so when you put the screw in, it doesn't crack the wood. Once you're ready, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screw in, we can put the cap back on. Then we can go do the one on the other side. Once you have the screw in, we can put the cap on this side. Once you have the cap in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.